kept searching for.
We are off to New Zealand. New Zealand is a beautiful island located in the southwestern Pacific Ocean. It consists of two main islands, the North Island and the South Island, as well as several smaller islands. It is known for its stunning natural beauty with snow-capped mountains, pristine lakes, rolling hills, and beautiful beaches. It is also home to a variety of unique flora and fauna, including the iconic kiwi bird. It has a rich cultural heritage with a strong Maori influence. The Maori people are the indigenous people of New Zealand and have a unique language, culture, and history. New Zealand has a goldmine of places to see and things to do. Join us as we explore our must-dos while visiting New Zealand. Number 10. Sky Tower. This iconic landmark, located in Auckland, stands at a height of 1,076 feet, making it the tallest freestanding structure in the Southern Hemisphere. The tower was built in 1997 and opened to the public in 1998. It is made up of three main levels, each offering a different experience to visitors. The main observation deck, located at a height of 722 feet, provides stunning panoramic views of the city, harbour, and surrounding areas. Visitors can also take a skywalk around the outside of the tower or participate in a sky jump, a controlled base jump from a platform at the top of the tower. At the base of the tower, there is a range of restaurants, cafes, and gift shops, as well as the Sky City Auckland Casino and Entertainment Complex. The tower is also used for telecommunications, broadcasting, and other functions. Number 9. Waitomo Thermal Wonderland. This is a popular geothermal attraction located in the city of Rotorua. The thermal wonderland covers an area of 18 square kilometers and is home to the famous Champagne Pool, which is a hot spring that is known for its vibrant orange and green colors. Other notable features include the Lady Knox Geyser, which erupts daily at 10:15 a.m., as well as the Devil's Bath, which is a green-colored pool that gets its unique color from sulfur deposits. The wonderland also has a number of walking tracks and hiking trails that visitors can use to explore the area. Number 8. Franz Josef Glacier. This stunning glacier is located in the Westland Tai Putini National Park on South Island. It is one of the most famous and accessible glaciers in New Zealand and attracts thousands of visitors every year. It is approximately 12 kilometers long and descends from the Southern Alps to around 300 meters above sea level, making it one of the few glaciers in the world that descends into a temperate rainforest. It can be explored in several ways, including guided hikes, helicopter tours, and ice climbing. The guided hikes usually takes around 3 to 4 hours and involves walking on the glacier's surface, crossing crevices, and exploring ice caves. Helicopter tours offers a bird's eye view of the stunning glacier and the surrounding mountains. Visitors can also take a scenic flight to the neighboring Fox Glacier. Number 7. Rotorua. This city is located on the central North Island and is known for its geothermal activity, Maori culture, and stunning natural beauty. The city is situated on the shores of Lake Rotorua and surrounded by several other lakes and forests, making it a popular destination for outdoor activities and sightseeing. The city is situated on the Pacific Ring of Fire and has several geysers, hot springs, and mud pools. Visitors can visit geothermal parks such as Waitomo and Tipua to see the stunning geothermal features. There are also several Maori villages and cultural centers where visitors can learn about the history and customs of the Maori people. They can experience traditional Maori cultural performances, including haka, poi dancing, and traditional songs. Other popular attractions in Rotorua include the Skyline Gondola, which offers stunning views of the city and lake, and the Grow Dome, where visitors can see a range of farm animals and watch sheep shearing demonstrations. Number 6. Tongariro National Park. This national park is located on the central North Island and covers an area of approximately 796 square kilometers. The park's 3 active volcanoes, Tongariro, Naruho, and Ruapahu, offer visitors a unique opportunity to explore an active volcanic region. One of the most popular attractions in the park is the Tongariro Alpine Crossing, which is a 19.4-kilometer trek through some of the park's most spectacular landscapes. The park is also also home to several hot springs and geothermal pools, including the famous Emerald Lakes, which is known for their vibrant green color. The park is also home to several ski resorts, which offer skiing and snowboarding opportunities in the winter months. The Maori people have lived in the area for over 1,000 years, and the park contains several important Maori cultural sites and is home to the Maori sacred mountain, Mount Tongariro. Fun fact! Did you know that New Zealand was the first country in the world to give women the right to vote? Oh yes! In 1893, New Zealand passed the Electoral Act, which allowed women to vote in national elections. This was a groundbreaking moment in women's history and helped to pave the way for women's suffrage movements around the world. Enjoying our content? Then don't hesitate. Subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out when we take flight. Number 5. Abel Tasman National Park. This stunning coastal national park is located in the northern region of the South Island. The park covers an area of approximately 225 square kilometers and is named after Dutch explorer Abel Tasman, who was the first European to visit New Zealand in 1642. The park is known for its stunning natural beauty, including its golden sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush native forests. Visitors to the park can enjoy a range of activities, including hiking, kayaking, swimming, and wildlife watching. One of the most popular activities in the park is the Abel Tasman Coast Track, which is a 60-kilometer coastal hiking trail that can be completed in 3 to 5 days. It is also home to a diverse range of wildlife, including fur seals, dolphins, penguins, and several bird species. Number 4. The Waitomo Glowworm Caves. These caves are a unique natural wonder located on the North Island. The caves were first explored in 1887 by a local Maori chief and a surveyor, and they have since become a popular tourist attraction. Visitors to the caves can explore the stunning underground caverns and view the impressive stalactites and stalagmites that have formed over time. One of the most breathtaking sights is the glowworms that inhabit the caves. The glowworms are unique to New Zealand and emit a blue-green light that illuminates the caves, creating a magical atmosphere. In addition to the Waitomo Glowworm Caves, visitors can explore other nearby attractions, including the Ruakuri Cave and the Runuri Cave, both of which offer stunning limestone formations and underground experiences. Number 3. The Bay of Islands. This is a stunning maritime region located on the North Island. The region consists of over 140 islands and is known for its beautiful natural landscape, crystal clear waters, and rich history. Some of the most popular activities in the Bay of Islands include sailing, fishing, kayaking, and dolphin watching. One of the most iconic landmarks is the famous Hole in the Wall, a natural rock formation located on Piercy Island. Another popular attraction is the Waitangi Treaty Grounds, which is the site where the Treaty of Waitangi, New Zealand's founding document, was signed between the British Crown and Maori chiefs in 1840. The Bay of Islands is also known for its stunning beaches, including Pahia Beach, which is a popular swimming spot, and Metapuri Bay, which is known for its clear waters and white sandy beach. Number 2. Queenstown. This town is nestled in the stunning Southern Alps and is known for its natural beauty, adventure activities, and vibrant nightlife. Some of the most popular activities in Queenstown include skiing, snowboarding, bungee jumping, skydiving, and jet boating. One of the most iconic landmarks in the town is the scenic gondola ride up to the Skyline Queenstown complex. From the top, visitors can take a panoramic view of the town and surrounding mountains, as well as enjoy a range of activities such as lodge rides and mountain biking. Queenstown is also known for its stunning natural landscapes, including Lake Wakatipu, which is the third largest lake in New Zealand, and offers a range of water-based activities such as kayaking, paddleboarding, and jet boating. Visitors can also take a scenic drive to the nearby Milford Sound, a stunning fjord surrounded by towering cliffs and waterfalls. Number 1. Milford Sound. This is a stunning fjord located on the South Island. The sound is surrounded by towering cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and lush rainforest, making it one of the most beautiful and dramatic landscapes in the world. One of the most popular activities is a scenic boat tour, which allows visitors to take in the breathtaking natural beauty of the area and see the famous landmarks such as Mitre Peak and Sterling Falls. Visitors can also explore the surrounding rainforest on hiking trails such as the Milford Track. Milford Sound is also home to a range of marine life, including dolphins, penguins, and fur seals, which can be seen on boat tours and kayaking trips. The best time to visit Milford Sound is during the rainy season, when the waterfalls are at its most impressive and the rainforest is at its greenest. And there you have it, our top 10 must-see in New Zealand. Which one is your favorite? Leave a comment and let us know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel content. Until next time, safe travels.